Creating a digital signature is essential for secure online document authentication and verification. Here's a concise guide. Choose a signing method. Decide between a software-based or hardware-based digital signature. Software options include Adobe Sign, DocuSign, and others, while hardware options involve dedicated signature hardware devices. Set up a digital certificate. To create a digital signature, you need a digital certificate issued by a trusted certificate authority. Purchase or obtain a certificate from a CA like DigiCert, GlobalSign, or Let's Encrypt. Install certificate. If it's a software-based certificate, follow the CA's instructions to install it on your device or within your software. For hardware-based options, configure and connect the device to your computer. Open document. Open the document you want to sign using a compatible software or application. Many PDF editors and word processors support digital signatures. Sign the document. Locate the option to add a digital signature. In most cases, you will find it under the Tools or Sign menu. Follow the prompts to create your digital signature. Draw or import signature. Depending on the method, you can draw your signature using a mouse or stylus, or import a scanned image of your handwritten signature. Position signature. Place your digital signature in the document where required. You can resize, move, or rotate it for a natural look. Save and encrypt. Save the signed document and consider encrypting it to protect the signature's integrity. Verify signature. Recipients can verify the digital signature using the document software, which should indicate whether the signature is valid and the document has not been tampered with.